For over a century, we've played a vital part in fueling American innovation, powering the nation through eras of incredible industrial expansion, and energizing the country's spirit of teamwork and multinational cooperation. Since steam replaced sails, we've been called upon to improve and protect the American way of life by pioneering better technology for power generation and propulsion, tools for academic and government research, methods for non-destructive testing and vigorous quality assurance, systems for precision machining, flexible manufacturing, and modular construction, and practical solutions for environmental restoration and waste management. Founded in 1867 to meet America's most advanced technological challenges, we have a long and proud tradition of satisfying our customers' most pressing needs. We are the Babcock and Wilcox Government Group, a major operating unit of McDermott International Incorporated. Throughout the Cold War, maintaining America's defense required the development, manufacture, and on-time delivery of military hardware and power generation systems, products of unquestionable reliability and integrity. During this time, Babcock and Wilcox supplied the reactor for America's first nuclear-powered submarine. We created the nation's first privately owned test reactor to support research, as well as the reactor for the first nuclear-powered merchant ship, the NS Savannah. Babcock and Wilcox also supplied fuel for the first privately financed nuclear power station built by Consolidated Edison. Today, the end of the Cold War has left the United States with a wealth of professional expertise, advanced research methods, and unique production facilities. These national resources must be quickly adapted to meet the demands of the next century. Once again, the Babcock and Wilcox Government Group is leading the way. As the premier supplier for the Navy's nuclear propulsion program, we're transferring our knowledge and capabilities to benefit other government services and commercial markets. Babcock and Wilcox is the largest private supplier of research reactor fuel elements licensed by the Nuclear Regulatory Commission. Research reactors at university and national laboratories give scientists and future scientists access to important investigative tools. For example, research reactors create the isotopes or tracers used to detect tumors, monitor blood flow, and study bone growth, enhancing and often accelerating the medical research we count on to save lives. B&W also has the only currently operating private facility for the recovery of enriched uranium and other fissionable materials. The recovery of such material results in a considerable cost savings for B&W customers. But for the world at large, this technology may offer something of greater value. The de-enrichment of weapons-grade material on a worldwide scale reduces proliferation, making the world a safer place. B&W's ability to design, develop, and manufacture high-energy particle accelerator components is being used by the Department of Energy in fusion experiments, testing ideas that push the technological limits of generating power. Using the same expertise, we are designing and manufacturing superconducting magnetic energy storage systems for commercial utility customers, systems that help electric utilities control the quality of service to their customers. The naval superiority that helped America win the Cold War is now turning to peacekeeping missions around the globe. As a maritime nation, the United States continues to rely on sea power to protect our vital interests abroad, and the United States Navy continues to rely on the nuclear propulsion systems produced exclusively by Babcock and Wilcox to power aircraft carriers and submarines. Just as nuclear carriers project America's force and readiness on the sea and in the air, nuclear submarines provide our nation's leaders with a stealth yet lethal warfighting and peacekeeping force. Babcock and Wilcox fabricates large nuclear equipment, such as pressure vessels and nuclear fuel components, which, when combined, produce propulsion systems of uncompromising quality and reliability. Such reliability is achieved through precision manufacturing, advanced welding and specialized inspection processes at B&W's facilities in both Lynchburg, Virginia and Barberton, Ohio. Some large reactor components are transferred to the company's heavy lift facility on the Ohio River in Mount Vernon, Indiana, for final assembly and shipment by barge to their final destination. Experience in machining, metallurgy, and rugged quality standards enables B&W to act as a leading supplier of missile and torpedo warheads for the U.S. Department of Defense. The same technology that allows a warhead to penetrate 6 inches of steel can be adapted for commercial applications. For example, thimble-sized explosive penetrators could be used to perforate oil well casings in precise locations, providing access to previously unobtainable oil reserves. Our strength in metals technology has also earned B&W the role of building classified armor for the Army's Abrams M1A1 main battle tank, equipping ground troops under fire with superior protection. To meet the stringent quality standards required by our customers, B&W engineers have had to solve material handling, safety, and inspection problems. The automated in-house systems they developed to detect flaws and eliminate repetitive manual work are now available to our customers. We've adapted our systems to meet the needs of customers in industries ranging from steel to pharmaceuticals, systems that significantly reduce defects in product quality. As part of our nuclear research and development efforts, B&W pioneered many of the environmentally responsible manufacturing procedures we take for granted today. In recent decades, our commitment has extended to the field, where government agencies are addressing the need for environmental remediation and proactive waste management. B&W projects in this area have included decommissioning and decontaminating research test reactors and nuclear material processing facilities for unrestricted use. Sites like this are being made available again for any purpose, restoring potential and offering peace of mind for generations to come. The depth of our analytical resources, a radiochemistry lab, an environmental lab, and data management services allow us to document our progress and exceed customer expectations for timeliness and safety. As a leader in energy-related technology, B&W maintains research and development centers in Ohio and Virginia. These centers drive the innovations that broaden our product lines and open new markets. These centers also enable B&W to attract and retain scientists renowned in their area of expertise, professionals committed to improving existing technologies while continually searching for new ways to meet worldwide energy needs. In addition to managing our own facilities, B&W senior personnel manage government sites on a contract basis. This gives federal agencies, such as Department of Energy, ongoing access to the best private sector talent. Babcock and Wilcox Government Group employees have a long history of solving tough problems. Our goal is to go beyond contractual obligations, anticipating customer needs, containing costs, and assuring on-time delivery. If the technology to solve your problem does not exist, we can develop it. If it exists only in the lab, we can help you apply it. And whatever challenges you encounter in the field, we can help you find practical solutions. The Babcock and Wilcox Government Group, fueling innovation for the next century.